Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this new product called WASHWOW, described as a portable washing machine where no detergent is needed. Let's open it up and check it out. So inside the box we got a user's manual and a USB cord, but this little ball right here is the thing that's going to be doing all of the heavy lifting or washing. So if we come in for a closer look, this is what it looks like. It's got a nice little rubbery exterior here. On the bottom here we have a USB-C charge port. This thing is built in with a 5,000 milliamp battery. We also have some indicator lights up here, so you can press this and it'll show you the charge status of the device, and you know it's working when you place it into the water. It'll actually start to glow green as well. The way this works is with water electrolysis technology. I'm going to give you some technobabble right now, right? So this thing is basically coated with positive and negative electrodes from precious metals, okay? And we're maintaining a specific voltage and keeping current between them after being energized. So water electrolysis separates hydrogen, producing active oxygen and hypochlorous acid. So what does that all mean? Well, the active oxygen is going to help break down organic dirt in the clothing, and the hypochlorous acid is an important part of cleaning and purification. So I did test this out with one of the loads of my laundry because of course I'm curious to see how this is going to perform and work. So I took my laundry, I put it in, I dropped the ball in, no detergent, no softener, I washed it, I dried it, and at the end of the day my clothing was clean and it smelled like nothing. Now, clothing that smells like nothing might sound a little bland and boring, especially when you like your stuff to smell like lavender or spring day or whatever it is, right? But smelling like nothing is a lot better than smelling like dirty, sweaty, musty clothing. Especially for those of you who have allergies to detergents and softeners that have fragrance, this could be an incredible solution for you as well. But wait, there's more! So this little ball can be used for more than just a laundry machine. If you're out camping or out in the wilderness and you need to do a quick load, what are you supposed to do? You would typically soak your items. So you can take this, you can soak it into a little bucket with your clothes, let them sit, and then wring them out. But you can also use this to clean fruit and veggies because it's going to neutralize the pesticides while it soaks there in the water. So if you're looking for a simple, portable, and eco-friendly solution to keeping your items clean without the use of tons of different detergents, then this is definitely the thing that you're going to want to check out.